In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download files from a Google Drive link using a computer. Whether someone shared a single document, a photo, or an entire folder, the process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening a web browser on your computer. Any modern browser will work. If you already have one open, that's fine. Just make sure you're ready to navigate to the link you were given. Next, click into the address bar at the top of the browser window, paste the Google Drive link you received, and press Enter. If the link came through email or chat, you can usually copy it and paste it directly. Make sure you include the entire link so it loads correctly. After a moment, the page will open. If you're prompted to sign into your Google account, go ahead and sign in. Sometimes Google needs to verify who you are to confirm you have permission to access the file or folder. If the item is shared publicly, you may not be asked to sign in, but if you see the sign-in screen, just use your usual Google credentials. When the file opens, look to the top right of the page for the download icon. It looks like a downward arrow. Click it to start downloading the file to your computer. If the file is large, you might see a brief scan notice or a short delay while Google prepares the download. That's normal. If the link opens a folder instead of a single file, you'll see an option to download. Click Download to get everything in that folder as a single zip file. This bundles all the contents together, so you only have one download to keep track of. If you only need one item from the folder, you can open that specific file and use the same download icon from its preview. Now, wait for the download to finish. You'll usually see progress at the bottom of your browser or in the browser's Downloads panel. Try not to close the tab or shut down your computer while it's in progress, especially for larger files. When it's done, the file will save to your computer's default download folder, typically called Downloads, unless you've set your browser to ask where to save each file. That's it. Simple and reliable. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.